Hello, welcome. I'm Maylee. I'm a program coordinator with DreamBuilder, and today we're going to learn more about the program and how you can get started. So what is DreamBuilder? In a nutshell, DreamBuilder is a free online learning program developed for women who want to start or grow their own small business. It's available in both English and Spanish. The program has 13 online courses, which cover topics such as planning, marketing, pricing, management, setting goals, pitch, and more. As you complete the 13 courses, you also write a personalized business plan. DreamBuilder is a great opportunity to develop your network and meet other women entrepreneurs. And when you finish, you'll receive a certificate from the Thunderbird School of Global Management. The platform also has useful tools and templates that you can personalize, and you can learn about different types of capital and how to secure them for your growing business. DreamBuilder is a vision of Freeport-McMoRan, a premier natural resource company based in Arizona. They have operations in the United States, Chile, Peru, and Indonesia. And DreamBuilder is to make sure that women have opportunities to be full participants in economic development and have access to greater levels of prosperity. DreamBuilder was first implemented in 2013 in Chile and Peru, and today more than 60,000 participants from over 90 countries have enrolled in the program. Freeport-McMoRan collaborated with Thunderbird for Good, the social impact division of Thunderbird School of Global Management from Arizona, a world leader in international management education, to create a top-notch curriculum for DreamBuilder that teaches women the fundamentals for owning their own small business. So, how can you get started in the program? Well, first you have to enroll in DreamBuilder. For this, let's cover the technical requirements. You should have an email and good internet connection to do the program. We recommend using a laptop or a tablet, but it's also possible to do it on your cell phone. If you're doing so, make sure to please use Wi-Fi so you can avoid overages in data usage. In terms of an internet navigator, you'll need Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. And make sure that you disable your pop-up blocker. We'll get into this in a little more detail later on. The first step is to go to this exclusive registration link for access to the AWE program. So let's go to www.dreambuilder.org/AWE, AWE. Great, so now we're in Google Chrome. Let's go to the website www.dreambuilder.org/AWE. Great. So this is the tab, Register. This is what I'm going to use first to create my account. I'm going to choose the language English here. And this is the part where you'll put in your first name and last name. We're going to use DreamBuilder program. Your email address. And a password. The password should have a minimum of 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and a number. For instance, I'm going to put DreamBuilder with the D and the B in uppercase, 2020. You'll have to write it 2 times, and it's always a good idea to write your password down in another place, so you don't forget. Let's select our country here. I'm currently in Chile, so I'll choose Chile. And then you have to click on this small box down below that says, I have read the terms and conditions. Once you've clicked here, you'll use the green button, Register, to create your account. Great, so now I get the message, an email has been sent to the address provided. Please confirm your account before proceeding. So now I have to open my email. Here we are. And you'll receive an email from this type of an address, no reply, and the subject is confirm your account. So let's click here. And to confirm your account, please click on the blue link. Great, so now my account has been activated successfully. So now that you've created your account, we'll go to www.dreambuilder.org/AWE. And here, now that we've already created our account, we want to make sure that we're in the login tab. Choose the language that I use to create my account. And here I'll put in my password. Perfect. And then here on the green button, I'm going to click on login. Super, so this is our homepage. You'll see to the left that there's two options. We want to make sure that we start with DreamBuilder and then afterwards go to the additional course of Financing Your Dream. So I'll make sure I'm in DreamBuilder so that I can start with the 13 courses. You'll notice here that course 1, 2, and on are all blocked. So that's because I haven't yet done the survey. Once we've done the survey, we'll have access to the next course, and so on. For instance, I'll only receive access to course 5 after I finished course 4. When you click on launch or continue, we'll be opening the course in a new window. It's very common to have pop-up windows blocked. And so in order to get around this, you can just use the course here, this button that says launch course. I'll click here. And sometimes it happens 2 times. So here, let's click again on launch course. Sure, let's resume where I left off. And here's the window that we're actually going to do the courses in. Sometimes if the window is very small, you won't be able to see the buttons or the X. So here you just need to make sure that the window is big enough. The great part about this is that the platform is online, so you can have access to this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that gives you some flexibility in your schedule for when you want to start advancing in the DreamBuilder courses. Also, a course tends to last between an hour and a half to 2 hours. Fortunately, you don't have to have 2 hours to be able to do the whole course. If I start the course and then I like to save my progress, to the right up here, there's a little X in color. So to save my progress, when I close the platform, I should always use this X. And now we just need to wait for the home page to reload. Sometimes it can take a few minutes. It's also possible to repeat courses and also the quizzes as many times as you please. So as I go doing the course, I'm also filling in my business plan. To see how your progress is going, to the left, you can look for this tab called Business Plan. When I click here, my business plan opens in another tab. Here are all the questions that Alma, or Sarah, who's your guide, will ask you. You can modify your former answers and go back and review things that you've already written. And when you're finished, you can generate your business plan with this purple button. When I click Generate Business Plan, my business plan will download in the form of a Word document, and I can also continue to modify my business plan in this Word document. And this is what it looks like. So all of this is formatted based on the information that you give to the DreamBuilder program. It comes with its own table of contents. Everything is all organized and with the pages included. So as you go filling in your business plan, all of this information will automatically be generated every time that you generate your business plan. So if you'd like to download it more than once, that's possible, and you can also modify it in this Word document. So let's go back to our DreamBuilder platform. The other useful thing here is your tools and templates here on the left. The tools and templates are organized into 4 useful sections: management and operations, marketing and sales, finance and accounting, and guides, examples, and resources. So feel free to explore. You can download these documents in Excel, in Word, or in PDF. And the idea is that you all can use these templates and personalize them for your own businesses and use them to continue to grow and develop your business. Once you've finished all 13 of your DreamBuilder courses, to the left here, you'll see Financing Your Dream. This is an additional course designed for someone who's looking for securing capital for their business. So it works in the same way. You can launch here with this green button, and afterwards you can also explore the resources here of this additional course, which you can also download in PDF format. So let's go back to DreamBuilder and explore some of these buttons up here up top. So I currently have the platform displayed in English, but it's also available in these different languages. So if I chose, for example, Spanish, then I will see the platform in Spanish, but the content of the course will continue to be in English. This is the little blue question mark. I can go to support. So this is for technical support. You can give feedback about your experience with the program or ask for help if any type of error arises. The important part here is to include the information of your account when you describe the issue. So make sure that you're including your email, your password for your DreamBuilder account, and also giving a thorough explanation of the technical issue that you're encountering with a photo if it's possible. This is my profile. And if I want to, I could change my name. My name that I give to the platform is what will show up on my official certificate at the end. So to change it, I can go to Profile, here, Edit Profile, and here I can change my name just in case I made some type of error with spelling, if I want to add another last name or my middle name to the program, to my certificate. All right, so now it's time for us to review some tips and tricks that we found to be useful for participants in case you encounter some type of issue with the platform. DreamBuilder is a pretty heavy archive. Like, all of the files that they use can be a little bit difficult for the browser to load every time. So it's really useful if you use a incognito window. So in Google Chrome, you go up to these three dots up to the right and you choose New Incognito Window. And here it's the same thing. You'll go to www.dreambuilder.org/awe. This is a great way for you to access the program and hopefully improve your experience as well. You can also go to History and erase your browsing history, clear browsing data. Right here over on the left, if I click here, it will give me the option. Time range, I can choose last 4 weeks, 7 days, all time, and here I can clear the data. If you're using your cell phone, make sure you're using it horizontally. So when you use it vertically, it can be a little difficult to see all of the content of the program. So if you're going to use your cell phone, just turn it horizontally to have a better view of the platform. And make sure you're using Wi-Fi. So those are our tips and tricks. Hope you enjoy the platform. Best of luck, and it's time to write your business plan.